crib, we coming to kill. Catch you while you sleep, wake up to a gun in your grill. Doing Satan's business, tie you up, hang you, sprang you. 22 cal, bang, bang you. Mr. Fisto with a pistol on methadone crystal. Give me all the money till you be less than shit stool. Jokes 51 times, women screaming, blood everywhere. Bound and gagged and feel you start. Bank your life, break your knife, take the gun handle on your skull. Take a jagged knife and like an animal indulge. Non-stop stabbing, tripe. Puncture pregnant bitch, rupture arteries by horrific cold vultures. But you ring no remorse, bludgeoning, slit your throat, gushing like a flush toilet. Now you hunch, my infamous psycho persist. Posse, taking pick up on the door with blood. You can't stop me from stabbing and stabbing the shit. I'm up the chain like I'm off the lock. See, I'm insane in the brain and I get these bitches the cocks to be the motherfucking non-stop MCs weak me. You can't beat me, bitch. I'm the motherfucking only G up in this piece that wanna treat these hoes with no decency. Your best RESPECT to me. And if you wanna beef with me, I'll take you to the streets and beat your face into the fucking curb where you get stomped. Get your motherfucking brains out your head, out the side where you're looking at me that you misled. I'm about to ride on you. Take it to the shed, get my dick sucked 10 times in an hour. Yo, and I ain't even take a shower.